you know, it was a big deal. It was scary. And I finally made the decision that I was going to do it. And quite honestly, when I had to wait in the waiting room for my first visit with Miles, I almost bolted. I made my husband come.
They're apprehensive. They're nervous about the way the denture is going to look. All they remember is what their grandmother had sitting on her side table in a glass of water. This pink, bubblegum-looking hunk of plastic that looks like it came out of a vending machine. And they don't want that. They know enough to know what they don't want. They don't realize yet what's possible. They don't realize what a denture can actually look like, that it can look like teeth.
Well, I was nervous because I've seen a handful of people that haven't been happy with their dentures. So I really, my expectations, I wasn't sure if they were going to kind of match with what I was hoping to get.
The growing population who needs dentures, kind of the baby boomers, not everybody on the baby boomers has enough money to actually go into implants and full mouth reconstructions. So we definitely see a rising level on dentures and partials nowadays. And so there's definitely a huge need, more and more, on just regular dentures. And I think with the digital tools what we have now available, and there's a big kind of draw and a big jump to digital in our denture techniques, in our denture kind of production. And we can really utilize these tools, but still we have to give that final product the human touch. And I think the combination out of both worlds, the traditional denture world, the characterization possibilities, what we can do with our human hands, and our digital tools is a great combination to make still a very beautiful and natural looking denture.
And also, by doing that, by adding that personal touch, characterizing the denture base, staining the teeth and glazing the teeth, having the patient be a part of the process when they're with you, and the patient can pick out the teeth, and they get excited about it. It's like selecting a new wardrobe. You have carte blanche to do whatever you want.
I didn't even know you had choices. You know, I've just, like I said, I've seen people that, you know, kind of got dentures at almost like a drive-through. And I just didn't know that you would have all those choices in different shapes, different colors. That was very eye-opening for me. And I think a lot of people don't know that.